What's up, y'all? We got a package from our friends over at Alpha Boards. Check this out, man. I have been excited about this. Unboxing. Oh, they hooked me up, y'all. They hooked me up. Yes, sir. Got that Richardson 112 Alpha Board hat and the Alpha Board Elite in orange. Spot for the LED light. Retractable arms. Oh, check this out, man. Stickers for days. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Clips. Got to have the extra clips. LED. Rechargeable LED lights that fit into your Alpha board so you can see these things at night, y'all. This is awesome. I'm really looking forward to trying the orange out. I've already got the green, but come on out. I want to show y'all real quick what it looks like. These things fold up, and this foam is indestructible. I mean, you can beat it up. It's not going to dent. Look at it. You can go left, or you can go right. They are totally interchangeable. Easy stainless steel clips. Pop on and off. Extra clips. And then the HD clips. These clips here have a spring inside of there. I'll show that more later, but it slides in and out to adjust the strength of this clip. Man, I'm so daggone pumped up right now. I don't know what to do.